I've got my March Lurella subscription box. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my March Lurella subscription box. And I have had it for a good minute. But I've had so many other stuff come in, and I kept saying, well, I want to go in and I want to use the products and review them and then do the unboxing. But at this point, it's April and I'm about to get another one. So yeah, I'm just going to open it with you guys. And if I get a chance to use the products and throw on a review, I'll try to do that. Because I've got so much filmed on my camera. I'm trying to edit my videos, but I got really behind with the 7 days of masks in March and then the autism collab. So gotten really behind with stuff. So, you know, if you've already seen this and you're not into it, that's okay too. And that's why I try to do something a little bit different with it, to put a different spin on it. But I just don't want this box sitting around anymore. So this March subscription box has a $93 value. All right, that's good. So the first thing I see, I already have from them. This is a set of brushes. I think I'd seen this spoiled and I was like, well, somebody's getting some nice brushes. So you do get all of these brushes that are in here, which is a good number. It's like 9 brushes in here. And Lurella brushes are amazing. And the price on these, at least the individual price on the brushes, is very reasonable. So that is a score. If I didn't have these, I got them in a mystery box, I would have been even more excited. Like, I need more brushes, right? We have some big old lashes. These are the Izzy lashes. Now, as y'all can probably tell, I am not a lash girl. I will sometimes put on some magnetic ones, but glue-on ones, I'm just too scared of that. We have this. It says Active Colors and it says Tigress on there. So it looks like it's some kind of red-orange. Okay. It looks like it's kind of like a putty type. I mean, I keep that for Halloween. I can see no situation in which, well, it's later on there, but I don't see a lot of use for that other than Halloween. It's a great thing for Halloween looks, you know. Next, we have a highlighter in Brighter Than Your Future. All right, so there that is. It's kind of like a diamond type finish. And last is our palette. It's Elements. And I just did an Elements collab for my Sassy Divas. I obviously didn't use this. I used some Saints, Angels, Sinners Cosmetics palettes. My daughter and I each did one. I used the fire one and she used the water one. And we had great fun, so you might want to catch that. It's a great group of ladies. Okay, so there we go. Look at those. Just going to get into a few here for you. Get into that Tide one and the H2O1 and the Land one. And I still have the orange on from the other thing, so I don't want to put that in anywhere. Gorgeous, stunning, love it. Okay, that is my Lurella subscription box for the month of March. Like I said, if I do have time, I will do a look with the palette. I probably won't use the highlighter only because I have so many highlighters. It's gorgeous. Their highlighters are very stunning, but I think I'll use it once and it will just sit in, you know, creature of habit. I use the same stuff that I've opened. Once I've opened it up, like I want to use it, and then something new comes in and I want to use that, so I put that aside. So I think I'm just going to leave that as is, because as stunning as it is, it might be a nice thing to pass on to somebody else. All right, well, that's all I have for you now. For now, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.